Audacity has a relatively new feature called real-time effects. When an effect is added as a real-time effect, it behaves differently than if added from the effect menu. We will see that shortly. Let's see where we can add a real-time effect. You can see an effects button inside the track information panel. The purpose of this button is to add real-time effects on the track. You can see the header says real-time effects. Click on the Add Effect button, and you can see which effects you can add as real-time effects. The effects are grouped by type. You may not see other groups than Audacity, depending on which effects are installed on your machine. The Audacity group shows the built-in Audacity effects. I will talk about other groups in the following lecture. If you go into the Audacity group, you will only see a few built-in effects appear. Audacity has not added support for all built-in effects as a real-time effect. At this stage of Audacity development, the built-in effects add little value as real-time effects. However, the third-party plugins can be useful for real-time effects. It is important to understand how real-time effects work to use it to its full potential. I will show the demo using the reverb effect. The reverb effect is added, and click on it to bring up the configuration window. You can toggle an effect on and off from two places. The toggle on and off button help us to listen to the changes the effect is doing. I will play the audio and make some changes, and you will understand. I will also toggle off and on the effect to listen to the changes it is making.
Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good to go. To clean up audio recordings using Audacity, you have to know some basics about the audio data. Though Audacity is 100% free, it is powerful enough to do professional quality work.
I hope you understand how it is working. With the usual effect, we first apply the configuration, and then we can listen to the changes it has made. But with real-time, we can configure as we listen to, and it helps to find the best configuration. You can stack up as many effects as you want. Click on Add Effect and choose the effect to add. I added the bass and treble after the reverb. You can add the same effect multiple times if you want. For example, I have added reverb 2 times. Even though I have added 2 reverb effects, each will have its separate configuration. It is a very flexible setup, and other paid audio editing software already has these features. You can remove any added effect. Click on No Effect, and the effect will be removed. The second reverb effect is gone. It is also possible to replace one effect with another. For example, if I want to replace with wah-wah, I can do it. The effect orders can be rearranged. The effect on the top is applied first and then the next, and so on. You can drag to rearrange the effects. You may think, what is the point of all these, if Audacity has not added most of the built-in effects as real-time effects? Well, there are third-party effects that can be useful. Some paid third-party effects may or may not work. Audacity has a subtle bug where some of the paid third-party plugins do not work on some machines. But otherwise, it works well most of the time. The MuseFX plugins works pretty well with Audacity. Because MuseFX and Audacity are developed by the same team. It has many useful effects and can be handy for you. In the next lecture, we will see how to install MuseFX effects. If you are watching this lecture on YouTube, it is part of my Advanced Audacity course. I am giving a heavy discount on the course building phase. You can pre-order this course from this Buy Me a Coffee page. I have already published some lectures on how to remove plosives efficiently. You can also check the curriculum. This course will take your Audacity editing skills to a whole new level. You will be able to edit and produce professional quality voiceovers and audiobooks confidently. You will become an advanced level Audacity user to use Audacity to its full potential. If you are editing voices for voiceover demos, or YouTube or online courses, I would recommend you take this course. If you want to become a professional VO artist, I would say it is a must-have course for you. You will learn techniques like removing popping P's or plosives and mouth clicks. You will learn advanced EQ techniques and efficient voice processing with Audacity. You will find the link in the description. Enroll in the course and give yourself an amazing opportunity to uplift your skills. The discounted price is available in the pre-order phase. The later you are to pre-order, the more the price will increase.